Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents 2-minute Gutenberg, and in this video we'll discuss the users and output of heading block, which is of course in Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. Click on the plus sign and go to common category and select heading. Type your heading. This is a heading. You can make this heading H2, H3, H4, anything you want from the option given above your block, or from the left side H6, H5, whatever you want. You can align them, or you can use custom CSS, custom anchor tag you want. So let's see what's the output. To get the output, click on the publish button and view the post. See, your post is published and the heading is shown here. If you have any question about WordPress, Gutenberg, or anything about the blog, you can write it down in the comment section below and we'd love to reply to your query. Thank you. Have a good day.